Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce your eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.